Don't call me legend. You can't pay my price. And no, yeah, you have me right. Even though you know it's
Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a Charlie's Angels inspired look. If you guys do not know, the remake or whatever that is just came out. And there's a song by Ariana Grande, Lana Del Rey, and Miley Cyrus called Don't Call Me Angel, and I love that song. I've been like listening to it on replay, and I also saw Charlie's Angels with Morgan. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a Charlie's Angels inspired look because honestly, why not? I also wanted to do a wing look because this is so cool. So I kind of just used this as like yeah. So if you guys want to learn how to do this look, then just keep on watching. Babe, so I already finished my foundation and concealer and everything like that, so I'm just going to be taking out my Too Faced Natural Lust Pro Bronzer, and I'm just going to be doing my bronzer slash contour, obviously. We're moving on to our eyes, so I'm just going to be taking out my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, going into the color Chocolate Truffle, and just putting that on my crease. And now I'm just going to be taking out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to be doing a cut crease. And I'm just going to be kind of doing an outline of a double cut crease. So I'm just going to be making like basically like an upside down spoon shape. Like I swear to you, that's basically what it is. If you're confused though, just watch me do it and then you'll understand. Okay, and I'm just going to be going into the color Rich Girl and just putting this on the concealer we just applied. And when going to the outer corner area, I'm going to be kind of staying a little bit shy from that, obviously, because we're going to be putting the angel wing design there. Okay guys, and now I'm taking out my Stila Stay All Day Liquid Eyeliner in the color Snow, and I'm just going to be using this to define the fact that it is a double cut crease. So now that we have done that, I'm going to start the process of doing the wing. So basically I'm just going to be drawing a line on my outer corner straight up, and then I'm going to kind of be just making kind of like wing outlines. The best way I can say it is just kind of to sketch it, and if you make any mistakes, just to erase it. But I mean, we're just going to try it. Okay, so I already did the line here, and I'm kind of just going to be going like line out, line in, line out, line in, line out, to try to just like make a wing design, I guess. I'm just taking out my Sandstorm ColourPop palette, and I'm just going to be using the color Hungry Ghost, and I'm just going to be putting that on top of the Stay All Day Stila liquid eyeliner just to kind of make it sparkle more, because obviously this is an angel look and we are going to be sparkly, duh. I feel like I always say this whenever I use this palette, but because this is actual real glitter, just be very careful because it will, wherever you set it down, it will stay there. So just make sure to really be careful when you're outlining it. That's the best advice I can give you. You know, whenever I do these looks, I always have glitter on me for like the next 3 days, so yeah. Okay guys, now we're moving on to our under eyes, and I'm just going to be going back into the color Cocoa Truffle, and I'm just going to be putting that halfway underneath my eye. And then I'm just going to be using the color Rich Girl the rest of the way. Now I'm just taking out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color Black Shimmer and just putting this on my waterline. Now I'm just going into my NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine. And I'm just going to be obviously doing my eyeliner, no wing, but I am going to be outlining the wing here because I feel like it's not that visible due to the fact that it's white. We're going to see what we can do with that. And then I'm just going to outline the... Now I'm just going into the color Rolling in Dough and putting that on my brow bone. I'm taking out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquefied eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz, and I'm just going to be putting this on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, beauty babes, so the first thing I'm doing is pulling out my Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in the color Berries and Bubbles, and I'm just going to be using the highlighter and blush in this. And since this is an angel look, obviously we're going to be looking as highlighted as freaking possible. So I'm just going to enchannel my inner Morgan, because that girl highlights to the gods, I swear.
I'm keeping all of them.
Morgan, do you seriously think you need that many highlighters?
I need all these highlighters.
Really, you need the bright blue one?
Yes, I need the bright
blue.
Yeah.
We're gonna be using the blush, obviously. I kind of just realized that the music video is actually called Don't Call Me Angel, but like still, it's, and besides, it's really cute, and I feel like that little darkness is kind of like the don't call me. I don't know anymore. I just really wanted to do a look involving wings, and I was like, Charlie's Angels just came out. This is my chance. And finally, I'm just taking out my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the color Melted Clover. I want to get the Clover plush stuffed animal, but like I'm broke and it's expensive, so I'm not getting it. I'm really upset about that. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or sing requests or anything like that. I'm talking really fast. I should probably slow down. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located out right over here. And comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or sing requests or anything like that. And also DM me or message me and send me pictures if you do this look, because I would love to see that. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos, which is actually on Fridays. I don't know what time yet. I'm still figuring it out. Just click the bell icon and then you'll know. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, I think that's all I have to say. Bye-bye, angels. Oh, that's too weird. Bye-bye, beauty babes. Love you.